Hey guys, this is a really difficult video to make, and I honestly never thought I'd have to say this, but after a lot of thinking, I've decided it's time to move on. I'm quitting YouTube. I started this channel on October 18, 2023, and since then, it's been an incredible journey. The love, the support, the laughs we've shared, it's been unreal. I've never expected Mensuration to grow the way it did, and I cannot thank you all enough for being a part of this. But sometimes life takes you in a different direction, and as much as I love making content for you guys, I think it's time to step away and focus on something bigger. Like today's edit. You really thought I was gonna leave you guys? No way. Mensuration is just getting started, and I have some insane content coming your way. So if you fell for this, hit the like button and drop a comment saying whatever you want. But seriously though, I appreciate every single one of you. Thanks for sticking with me, and I can't wait to show you what's next. Stay tuned, stay awesome, and I'll see you soon.